Jungle Scout Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to our Jungle Scout Honest Review. Before we dive in, I want to mention that links to the product and other valuable resources are included in the description below. Jungle Scout is one of the most popular and trusted tools for Amazon sellers, designed to help you find profitable products, research keywords, track competitors, and manage your sales data, all with the goal of giving you a competitive edge in the marketplace. Jungle Scout offers a wide array of features, including the product database, Chrome extension, Opportunity Finder, Keyword Scout, and Inventory Manager. The product database allows you to filter through millions of products based on criteria like demand, competition, and profit margins, helping you identify high-potential opportunities. The Chrome extension gives you instant access to product data directly on Amazon's website, making it easier to assess potential products while browsing. Opportunity Finder helps you discover niches with strong demand but low competition, perfect for sellers looking to carve out a profitable space. Keyword Scout is a powerful tool for keyword research, ensuring your listings are optimized for search visibility. The Inventory Manager helps you keep track of stock levels and forecasts, so you never miss a sale due to being out of stock. Who is Jungle Scout made for? This tool is ideal for Amazon sellers at all stages. Whether you're just starting out and looking for your first product, or you're an experienced seller aiming to optimize your existing operations and scale your business. Jungle Scout is particularly valuable for those who rely on data-driven strategies and want to minimize risks by making informed decisions. In conclusion, Jungle Scout is a comprehensive, user-friendly tool that can significantly enhance your Amazon selling journey. Its range of features is designed to help you succeed by providing the insights you need to make smarter, more profitable decisions. If you're serious about growing your Amazon business, Jungle Scout is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details, and thanks for watching.